Hey y'all, it's Chrissy Way, and we are gonna make the best tasting spaghetti sauce from a jar. Here's everything you need. This is the sauce. It is so good. There are a couple of varieties in that sauce too. Now, we're gonna fry up the hamburger with a little green pepper and some salt and pepper. I love my pink and salt and pepper shakers. They're so cute. And then we're gonna preheat the oven for the garlic bread. Garlic bread is on the cookie sheet. Now we're gonna flavor up that hamburger a little more with some garlic powder. Getting the water ready for the noodles. Forgot to turn it on. Now we're gonna drain the grease from the hamburger, put it back in the pan. Add that delicious sauce again. There we go. Now we're gonna stir that and let it cook for a little bit. Water's still not ready. Noodles are finally cooking. Garlic bread, we're gonna take that out and add some mozzarella cheese. Put it back in the oven. And dinner is done. Hit that subscribe.